Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be going through how we can fix Chrome continue use not working. So the first solution is to reconfigure the settings. So open up Google Chrome and then launch a new tab and then type in chrome:/flags in the address bar. Now search for the enable fast unload flag and then set it to disabled. In case you are not able to find it, move on to the next solution as it has been removed in some versions of Google Chrome. Now the solution number 2 is about closing web apps. So in case you are using any web apps with Google Chrome, it is highly recommended that you close the web app first before closing down Google Chrome. So that way Google Chrome can properly estimate the tabs that you want to be open at startup. So now the solution number 3 is about reinstalling Google Chrome. So hit Windows key along with that, open up the run dialog and then type in the following address: c:/users/your username /appdata/local/google /chrome/user data. Simply type in that address in the run dialog and then hit enter. Now in case you are only able to find default profile or default folder and there is no other folder like profile 1, profile 2, that means that you have only one user on board and there is no other profile set up. But in case you do have other profiles, simply copy those profiles in a safe folder as we would be copying them back. Now press Windows key along with that, open up the run dialog and then type in control panel. Now simply click uninstall program and then select Google Chrome. Now follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall Google Chrome and then re-download it, install it again and then navigate back to the step 2 where you copied all those profiles folders in case they were present there. Now simply copy them back and paste them again into the same folder as in step 2 so that all of the files and settings would be reinstated in your Google Chrome. Now open Google Chrome and all of your user data will be safe. Now check to see if the continue use feature works properly or not. So we hope that was helpful for you guys. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.